What's the meaning of constancy? Constancy. Constancy.
Constancy. Constancy. Constancy refers to the quality of being unchanging or unwavering over time. It is the state of maintaining a consistent attitude or behavior, regardless of circumstances or external factors. This trait is highly valued in various aspects of life, such as work ethic, interpersonal relationships, and personal development. Those who exhibit constancy are perceived to be reliable, dependable, and trustworthy. They are able to stick to their decisions and commitments, even in the face of challenges or obstacles. Constancy is a key characteristic of successful individuals and organizations, as it enables them to achieve their goals with perseverance and determination.